Good morning. We are right now in the city of Ipoh, no, in northern part of Malaysia, going Penang. And here in front of Reno Hotel. So Ipoh is just like Philippines, no, except that you have different language. No? Store signages are in Malay. So this is the hotel that we stayed, Reno Hotel. It has very good ratings in Agoda. Fairly reasonable price, no? Maganda. Then you have they gave a discount. We arrived at almost 12 midnight last night. So this is just a transition hotel. We're planning to go to Penang today after circulating here in Ipoh. So they have also street food here, no? Sarap siguro to dito kumain pagkain. Just walking here. One thing, of course, yung observation dito, yung driving style, no, in Ipoh. It's on the left side of the road because this is Malaysia. So this side, yung kabila is this is yung kanila parang street, parang karinderya natin, no? So lahat plain coffee stall. So medyo flavorful talaga, no? Malaysian food compared with Pinoy food, masyadong spicy. Yan. We can cross siguro here just to walk around. You know, they have their, ito yung parang karinderya nila, no? Mukhang masarap naman to dito, no? Don't know if my companions would like to eat here. Lahat plain coffee stall. What are this food ba nila? So, yung Malaysian food is fusion ng Indian at saka Chinese na food. You know? Yan sila. I think this is Chinese or Chinese food. Okay, so just walking around. Mamaya labas kami. So ikot kami sa city of Ipoh. They have lakad-lakad lang kami. Parang coffee nila dito. You can order yung mga kanila. Nasi campur. Masarap kumain din dito. Yan, hindi natin kung kakain sila dito, no? Yung food. Just walk around. Parang Pinas na Pinas nga talaga, no? Just yung Malay na tradition natin is really very strong. Medyo na umiba lang talaga yung Pilipinas because of the strong Spanish at saka English na American influence. But here, even the buildings nila, no? The style, Pinoy na Pinoy din talaga. Convince ko na kumain ito mga to. Okay, that's ayan, I'm just crossing yung street. So kung dito tingnan mo yung driving, no, nasa left side yung driving ng mga sasakyan. Ayan, no? So ang adjustment sa atin kasi ito, when we drive, isa kanila dito left, sa atin naman you go right. Okay, tawid tayo. So this is excellent yung rating ng hotel na to. In fairness, bago siya. No, gabi parang luma siya tingnan, no, but okay naman, no, yung facilities ng hotel. Yung jalan, ibig sabihin road yan. Jalan, in Bisaya, yung jalan is, di ba, dalan. No, so most of their roadside din just merong pangalan na it's being preceded by the word jalan or road. Okay, sa atin naman sa Bisaya, dalan. No, kaya pareho yung ano to, yung concept o yung root word. Tapos pasok ka dito sa loob nila, if you enter, no, open nila is pull, tarik. Yan na, pasok tayo. Pero yung sa loob, yan o, push, tolak. Yung tolak kasi is parang, kung Tagalog, tulak, no? Pero kung Bisaya ka, pwedeng tolak. Okay, this is the lobby of the hotel, of Reno Hotel, that we're staying. So they have this mga room facilities, no? You see? So this prohibited yung durian, no? Or what they call dilarang.